So the other thing I wanted to talk about too is even, this whole topic, I do want to stay on topic here about how you make the best choices of what you offer and what's your advice on that, Lewis, of when someone's got training and everything, and now they have to make the decision. What's your advice?
I think people make the mistake of always doing what they think is the most popular in-demand thing. And I think you're always going to make more money if you find something that you really dig and you have a passion for it and you love, because you don't even know it, but naturally your enthusiasm, your vibe, your messaging is so much better. And the way we make money in the business world is by being a storyteller and talking about the great experiences that happened to us, the great stories, and this great result. And so, I'm a big fan of just finding something to focus on. I mean, like if you're doing fillers, yeah, you're going to do all the fillers, but focus on something. Like mark yourself as lips and only lips, or Glabella, Angry 11's on it. Just focus, find something that intrigues you. And then all your messaging and all your marketing on social media, just focus on that one thing. And you'll be thinking, well, gosh, Lewis, I'm kind of narrowing my audience. Why would I just do lips? Because what if the person wants cheeks done and this and that? Well, that's okay. There's gonna be a million people looking for just lips. And if I was looking to get my lips done, I want somebody that does lips all day long. I don't want somebody that does lips and Botox and PDO threads and sclerotherapy and blah, 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 blah. I want somebody that does lips all day long. Like when I was getting divorced, you guys, and I'm looking for a divorce attorney, I talked to 5 different attorneys and I hired the one that did divorce all day long, not the one that did divorce and personal injury and business law and entertainment law, blah, blah, like jack of all trades, master of none, right? So I think when you're starting a business, you got to be the expert of something. So, I used to be the expert of lasers, and now we're the experts at lasers and injectables and blah, blah, blah. You evolve. Amazon started with, they were the expert of just books, right? For years and years, Amazon, speaking of slow starts, not only did they lose money for 8 years, but they lost billions of dollars of the public's money, but their niche, they were an expert on just books. But as we all know, they sell a few more things now than just books. So I'm a big believer in niche marketing and being the expert of something, whatever that something is for you, that's up to you to decide, not for me to tell you what's hot. Because trends like the semi-gluten, that's hot, but a year from now, everybody, their mother, brother, sister will be doing it. It'll be $1 an ounce or whatever, and it'll be tougher. So find something that's sustainable, that's been around for years and years and years, and find your angle, find your niche to it.